Hey, it's Mark Ferguson with Invest for More. I am standing outside one of the houses in our favorite area, the compound. This property has 3 houses, so the red one right there, which should be almost done. I'm gonna go look at that one next. I haven't been there yet, but it should have been done a few weeks ago. Now we're still saying it should be done. The commercial property, and then we have the property all the way over there, which also is making progress and close to being done, but still needs a few things. So this property is right on a very busy highway. As you can hear and see the giant semi flying by. And it's also zoned commercial. So that's actually one of the reasons that I bought it, is because it is zoned commercial and has future development potential along with the current income potential. So we are fixing these houses up. They were all occupied when we bought them. We did an eviction on this one, which we will link to below, and did cash for keys on the other properties to get them vacant because they're way under rented, under market. And now we're gonna fix them up a little, rent them for market value, maybe refinance the property, hold them for a few years and see what happens at that point. All right, so this one is making progress. We've replaced a few windows, done some of the trim, some of the paint, worked on the kitchen. And we have a little bit more to do, like doors and flooring, as you can see. And these are not super high-end remodels, as you can tell, since they will be some of the cheaper houses that you can rent in this area. We'll be asking probably from $1,100 to $1,200 a property, which literally is the least amount you can rent a property for around here. A house, you know, even apartments and 2-bedroom condos are renting for more than that. And these have their own land. Some of them have garages, so we should have no problem renting them once they're all fixed up and done. But it has been a process getting things done as quickly as I would like, because, you know, sometimes we're waiting on the plumber, sometimes we're waiting on the painter, sometimes the appliances get back ordered from Home Depot and we're looking for other places to do it. Sometimes the contractors are working on other jobs instead of these jobs, because we have had these 3 houses to remodel and fix, plus we have 10 other house flips that we're also working on as well. Plus I have the river house that we're working on. Plus we have some other rental properties that need work. So everything kind of adds up as far as the time it takes to get them repaired, and then where to put everybody, the best way to manage everything. And luckily Nikki helps me out a ton with that as well. She's my project manager on figuring out where to send everybody and what they all should be doing and what priority and what order to. So this is one of the compound houses. Not very big, so our videos aren't very long, but we're close, making progress. It should be ready here in the next, hopefully, week or 2. It'll be all done. And then we can put it up for rent, send it to our property manager, and see how it goes. And we are using actually a third-party property management company now. I used to have property management in my own office, Blue Steel Real Estate, but it did not work out well. Justin, who has worked with me for many years, used to do our property management. He stopped doing it a couple of years ago. He was tired of it and sick of it, which I do not blame him for at all, because I was tired and sick of it too. And then we gave it to another agent who came into our office just to do property management, and that did not work out well. So now we're sending it to a third party who's been doing very good, and it's been very nice having them handle all the property management so they can find the tenants, sign the leases, show the properties, and do all of that. All right, now I'm done. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you guys appreciate all the videos. We'll keep them coming. We appreciate all the likes, the comments, the new subscribers, so keep that coming as well. And of course, check out investformore.com for much more information on our flips, rentals, being an agent, all of that good stuff. And then we have 9 books on Amazon too. If you want more in-depth information on real estate, head out to Amazon and just search for Invest for More or Mark Ferguson, and those will pop up. All right, thanks for watching. We'll be back with more soon.